when me was like 8 years old, that's when you first got on a curacao. And I must say, we that stay with it. My old man, my father, first time. So, you know, another time in life, you look about supper and thing. So, me in the living room, me in the dining room, me and him sit down at the table and I eat. So, my little sister now in the other room, you know, in the bedroom. So, me sit down there, which part me sit down now, me can see the bedroom, the door to the bedroom. And my father now, where him sit down now, him back turn to the door to the bedroom. So, me did I eat and stuff. When me look now, me see one face from the bedroom, push out so, and look for me. And then it smile. It have like some, like a dreadlocks ear, and it push out so from the bedroom and look for me, and then it smile, and then it draw him back in head. And me say to my father, say me a talk about. Me say my little sister, you see how she love play? She never she asleep and she love the ramping. So me get up from the table now and go in the room now. When we go in the room now, my sister dead fast asleep. I in there just snore and something. And me even go up to her and shake her now fi say if my play or if my sleep dead fast asleep. And you know if you asleep, yeah them turn up so you know say him asleep. So me go back out in the dining room now and me sit down back. Me just puzzle because me I say, what the hell? What just go on? So me I tell him now and I say, just sit there. I look for me a while I go through the bedroom. Then now and she asleep. And then me I say, me see one face look out. And him start shut up. You know, him I tell me say, shut up. And then me I try to tell me, I say, no, me just see the face I look for me through the bedroom. And him keep on tap me and I say, shut up. No say nothing. And then me say, me just shut up, you know, because me start to get frightened now. Me just shut up, you know, and I saw me no bother say anything to him now, and me go on my bed and I remember exactly, but me know the next morning now, me go back to him and I ask him like, what happened? Why am I tell me say, you know, more like a spirit me see. And he must say, when you say so, you know, if you talk, you know, if you say nothing, same time, you have to wait till they say, if you wait till the next morning before you say nothing. So he say, that's why I'm not tell me, say, no, say nothing. So that was the first time ever in my life at 8 years old, me ever really see something where me not when me see what I say, my first Duppy experience that where me not understand. To this day, me can see the face right now. It's so vivid. Me can see the face, exact face. I know it push out from the bedroom door and I smile and then dry back in head. Yeah. So where I guess me tell you that story there already. I remember. But me tell it already. Yeah. So why ma tell me say why ma tell me say no shut up?
No, because normally, as in tell us say, in could have did blind you, in could have did dumb you because you see him and attack.
The spirit.
Yes, because you see it and talk. So me tell you so what happened to my sister because my sister say watch him on there.
Oh, our your brother too when he did dumb.
Yeah,
when he
remember
advice.
Yeah. Right. Remember
yeah, my uncle where he take advice.
Right. See, remember when Smith would do the video with you?
Yeah, where they do blind
eye
yeah,
instant.
Because he shout out.
Because he shout out say watch the man there.
Oh. So my father was aware I say a spirit me see.
Yes,
So
because try to tell him that he must in realize
say a spirit. So I say no, shut up and I say nothing.
Yeah.
So that spirit they could do something to me if me they say nothing more.
Yeah, because maybe to say suppose I'll start describing him. Would I just
Oh,
do something.
do something.
Make it you when you see him again, you can't say no, you can't talk. But remember, say before me go away, before me did go away, you did have an same encounter with maybe the same spirit,
No, you have to tell
remember.
me. I have to tell me about that.
Yeah, man, you don't remember the food story and all you.
Nah, man, that a one different time, man. That a one different time. Was it? No, before you go if you through here with the food story with the spirit. But me don't know if I that same spirit though.
But
Me don't know if I same spirit like the you talk about it when me I eat the night when me go and see the food. Me like the rice. Me put the rice in my mouth.
remember you tell me say you get a dream or so somebody tell us say don't eat the food.
Nah, man, and you know, I remember it right, man. The food it did there on the table, and the night me up and I watch TV and me go take out the food now, and me put the rice in my mouth, and the rice tastes slimy like a beer slime in the rice, and I spit out the rice and me say, "How the rice that taste so?" And then me go up on the other side of the rice and pick up. Me go because me hungry though, so me go up on the other side of the rice and pick put. And me say, no man, the rice that taste slimy like just wet cranny, just slimy. And me spit out about the rice and I say, me carry it in the kitchen and now. And me say, no, so me not eat the rice here. And me put it down. And the next morning now, when me wake up, you come to me and you say to me, say, if me eat the food where they on the table last night, and me said, no, me not eat it. I me ask you, why you ask me that? And you said to me, say, the spirit, when you are asleep in one dream, one man come at the bed foot and touch you and say, your boy lucky, say he not eat that food the last night. And that's so you come to me, you wake up and come to me and tell me, say, ask me if he eat the food. Because this person come to you in a dream and say, your boy lucky say he never eat that food the last night. So that's how that happen. That before you go away.
Yeah.
That's we need a work a light spell.
Yes, but how you get sick?
With the belly story? No, that's a different something, man. Now a different thing that. With the belly when me they go hospital and something. Yeah, that different. That different. Is it?
That when shit and they cook the food and in the kitchen.
Yes.
That me tell us say it look like say spirit in the kitchen there.
Boy,
yeah, man.
Me don't know.
But I see it, remember, at the same house and I see him kitchen.
Yeah. Who to tell? Yeah, it could be the same spirit where.
Exactly.
Because my doctor say if me ever reach any later, they dead.
Yeah, because remember, that happened before. That happened before when you go eat the food on the dining table. You go to the food and couldn't eat it. And the next,
right,
and the
the following week,
and the next time now, she tap to cook, and left the food in the kitchen pan the stove, and you go eat it.
Yeah.
When we come from work the evening,
and my belly,
and
turn
you
up.
Eat the food.
You turn up.
From you eat the food, the boy cook. I pain the whole night, whole day.
My belly, yeah.
Me carry a private doctor, and she all the medicine what she give me, and so I pain that kill you worse.
Remember?
And then me have to tell my boss say no, me have to go to the hospital with him.
No, remember I work because me didn't have so much pain. Me couldn't go to school.
No.
And me go work with you at
work with me, yes.
And me can't forget me the run at the back. Then it have one little pan there with the turkey.
Yes.
And me run at the back and me ball out. Me drop down at the little pan there and they are growing a roll. Me drop, me couldn't move and you rush with me go hospital.
And me rush with you go to the hospital.
Remember?
Yes.
Yeah, see, I think a spirit in the kitchen, I play up in the food.
I'm not troubling food, man.
Well, me don't know nada. Me don't know. You're more in tune with them things.
They're not playing story that I second time that, you know.
Yeah, it was the following week that happened. Because the first week, the spirit come to you in a dream and say, me lucky say me never eat the food. And the following week now, me eat.
Cook and left the
and
food
then-
on
and
the
then
stove
that
in the
happened.
kitchen,
So,
and
yeah.
then you're going to go eat it.
Yeah, I mean, you have a point there. It could be spirit.
Yes.
Spirit a follow up there. And then when after you left now, me see that spirit there. Where me say when me and my father still on the dining table. So and Duppy probably in the house there follow me up. Me not know.
I can't eat the food.
Me don't know. Cause the people
Lad.
people are writing in the comments say them know of people where they take away pitney and carry them a boot, Duppy carry them go feed them charcoal and then something. You ever hear after
Yeah,
something?
me hear about that.
Yeah.
So
Somebody right now come and say I think some family member Duppy take them away and go feed them charcoal.
So then say when Duppy
take away and feed the white rice.
White rice. That's why
That
that's why I never like cook white rice until today. And then say
Duppy.
if you cook white rice and you leave it, if you put one pepper in it.
Oh yeah, me have that. So
I
you
mean, no
feel
cook
always
white rice.
leave one pepper in
I
it.
like
So
white rice at all.
Duppy not church. Yeah, me always see that when we are pitney.
Yeah.
They have a pepper in a pot with the white rice because they say Duppy not trouble once the pepper did it.
Once the pepper.
Yeah, man, people, that's my first experience seeing a Duppy back when I was 8-year-old, you know? So maybe Duppy have followed me around long time now, and I can hear they did play up in their food and all them things there, you see me? So, real. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, people, and enough respect and thanks for watching the video, them. And if you like the video, drop a thumbs up on it. And if you have a Duppy story, you want to tell, we can feature you on the channel. So I say just email me and thing, or if you have a voice note with the Duppy story you tell, send it into the email and thing, or you drop it in the comments. Enough respect, people. And until the next video, what we say?
Irie and out.